like when people like that are like kuendla vavasati
lava va fanele va dyondza from
lava kufanele
teachings ta n'wina.
na loko kuma ku ri va ku hayi mara mani eki a hi hleketa ku swiswa so hi nga swi vulavuli a hi hleketa ku like tana na approach tana na
ku ni comment ya mavulavulele van'wana va ri xihleko xa n'wehe xo xi step back.
And you know I tell myself ku ri a ni mali baby a ni nge rhandzi hi munhu hinkwawo ne hambi wisirili wa va nyika ti-350 loko va pfuka va n'wi drawa so who am I? Like I laugh, you know, I'm a free spirit, you know. Ani squad hambi landri ndawani kahle kahle mina like naloko nyendla wo yingisela ti video ta mina, there's a lot of comedy on it.
Oh, so loko mi vulavula ti motivations ta n'wina mi karhi mi hleka like motisana comedy nyana.
Yes, motisana comedy ku swi ta va fun.
Hayi ku mo va hleka va.
No, ani hleki bona like swi ta va fun. That's why you know I posted something noku, you know the video ta mina tikula va unga na stress because I laugh. I can laugh, I can giggle, you know. You know like in naloko ndakutshela nunu wa mina something, I laugh and I go okay babe ken kombela ku kela mati unwa then undzela ku hleka yini. That's who I am.
So it's your character,
it's
and
my
I'm
character.
confused.
No, like you know, but like when my videos need the enda loku banbali tembisa. Remember, like bani loku bata journey. I'll mention few. Koba kuri like ni boneti followers tamina totala tabana bala makaya ba uma tembisa. That's ama tembisa. Look, nukai baby ban inbox. Sama kwe akaya kumaka tembisa kwe. But originally when they coming from amakaya Limpopo, bafikela go tembisa, Alexandra, and then Bosowe, Twashawela, Middlelands, Pinville, Adikloof, you know. So, but yale tembisa yona in kaza kuri. Not specifically kuri. I'm laughing kaban bali tembisa.
I know.
Under content, yeah, yes, under content yamina kuri. You know what? Nakona akungari kuri ikupoila bantu labangari kuna sona. Ankombeta ngono nyane kuri. You can still do something about your future rather than kuruta utalandela mfana utatsama la utsamitsama kukona. And baba iloko nukumita kokomela.
I see
Rungwani, but don't get I'm belittling them like kuri nabatsonga hata.
But I want tough love.
You know, and mina like ibu mina, banaba mina we stayed here na bona. But I'm one person lokoza nukweta kukujundisa xikolo because I'm done. Nirishaba yindlu. You know, pale timbrini ta bona, which is, you know, and I'm love what about one of makhelwane? And the power of social media right now, it's powerful. It loku uri positive uranda xikolo you utasteka kule like mani kahle kahle bari tsikani swiswa bafana minga jayi swa bafana yana na xikolweni.
Na makale ya TV shila mi landzelerisa ku vona ka TV.
The future looks bright kahle kahle. Yeah, these critics actually it actually opened doors for me because now and then I'm getting interviews. People they want to come and interview me, and then banzela could no write a proposal. We want you to see you on TV shows because like it's limited right now. Narika radio kamgana lunene, which is it's a platform layinga shinkarana shakona shinzanana. Which is I want like radio banbotala abayingiseli ngaba kuri ningabzeli bana bamachanga ntsene bamatsonga ntsene nibzela bana ba rimuri na was to sitsela bangata kota kupfulela ka channel ya leyo.
And going back to Karetu, you give relationship advices. Doesn't mean your relationship is perfect. You want to show something convention lanjani.
You know ka marriage ya mina I'm blessed. I'm blessed in a way yakuri my husband has been honest and loyal to me. If
kuna commenting wena ngayibona ka Facebook baku mani egi ulandzelelana na xihlangi lexi xi jula ku na nuna yena njani
anzange zeni bana like at the small houses baby. Honestly speaking mina I cannot stand a cheating man and that's why ni burile kuri like kuna post laying I post like how do you deal with the cheating husband, you know, and aneri angasuyendli mara mina ntiva angasuyendli anishtivi and ansitama nkomba muti kuri baku nunu wa mina ujola laya. It's a blessing on its own and like akamalembe lawa ingatekana na wona it was not
actually
easy.
popular.
It was not easy, but for him to respect our union up to today. And that's why I tell people, tightly a marriage, you can lose it anytime. But tightly your qualifications, there's no way it can be like you can
you
lose
own
it.
Forever.
I own it, but I cannot control what my husband does. But in my marriage, I was fortunate because he has been loyal to me and he loved me so much. And I will love it. But I will always be Simunwa with 3.
I think Mama Bono could be happy, my law. Then Batana Lefu, which is a nuna. Hey,
you know, in our society, like I tolobelandi kubona munhu langa happy. I used to tolobelandi because of the background, yes, and because everyone is crying about the husband cheating, about Gini. You know, like if my husband is not here at home, he's in the conference and like laying where I can go anytime if I want because we are business partners with my husband. Like he's owning his company, but I'm involved. We can go together, you know. But you know the respect land komba kuyona. He loved me and showing me this amazing respect, you know. And like banu lokuba khaba kubona urtan bara wahemba ujise nuna and you know banu lokuba ri happy banu botala beri umujisi nuna. And it's bad because look uteba kuri muruko no disanuna. Why can't you find one for yourself and do it kawena? So but those are comments that I don't entertain ka banu kuri. You know, if it's possible kujisanona, like I tabam sabali one year quiet in one, you know. So like for us, you know, it's
I think
but you know, like, and the other thing ikuri being married to my husband uteloku atanabana laba from the previous marriage and then nibafikan ba amukela and then we stay together in this house and I concentrated kabana for the past 15 years, you know. It was hectic. You know, but before we losing ourselves in this marriage, we have to concentrate on the two of us because you know. And then we decided, baby, let's take Kulani to boarding school. You know, our daughter,
by yourself.
I mean, like we stay in this house, the two of us. Kulanish is only here for a week now, you know. And then we started. Nana busy kona nyana la wana ngwini loku lava kuiteka la kishini la sofeni na iteka nifamba nyaka. So we find ourselves in this marriage. I won't break handy. I didn't break hand marriage. I mean, that's why, like, nalokunban tsakile, and then nanunwamina tsakile. And like my husband is he's a happy man, you know. And
I saw him on the videos.
Yes, he's a happy man, and people they mistaken kuba ari happy na kuba shpunta, you know. Because sometimes, you know, the other day I could not comment about hi, Papa Loan Ushirwele. And then his answer, like on social media, his answer was like, I love the version of my wife because it's eggy. Like that's what I love.
You're being yourself.
I'm being myself, you know. And yeah, I'm going to put it, our marriage is perfect, but yeah, he's striving. We're striving, both of us. And yeah, like, you know, we it's how I carry him. Ibana sule motivate ako marriage yena okay baby ndakushabisela round awuniji nze you know, and then umcharge go round 500 baby nkolotisi it's motivating and then we laugh nokunukutsala tsolweni this month, you know, and then utanika month and month end he's gonna pay.
Okay, mga advice I'm going yeah, relationship.
Relationship, I think it's all about being honest to your partner and, like, you know, being loyal and know who you are, you know, because people bangena kati relationship bangati debe bona and once you find that kuru awushona shishesho and mina I believe in loving myself. Once you love yourself, you teach people how to love you, you know. So ite makate tota kuri I taught my husband how to
love.
Yes, na mina umdundise how to love him. Like loko yenga so one kwatisa, loko unga endli so was to says. So
communication.
It's a communication kuri I communicate with respect. You know my husband, ngaba ngihleka. You know unga mistaken ihloko shami na respect my husband. Loko ntsakile sometimes in kids and then he'll feel, you know, he's muscular like that. You know, yeah. So it's so amazing how we relate with each other. And then nashile shinga yenda keep us going. We coming from humble backgrounds, you know, and where like lokun fika ka bona they akuna sesi ka bona no mina. Like the sister passed away before I became makoti. And then but ibi mani bafika baniteka ba umwana wa mina wanonyana. And then believe you me, I wear whatever I want when I go to my husband. Akuna restriction. Sometimes abayendla amajambusela utakuma banreile leti short. Bakulethi nibekele eggi.
And the short one
So that's how like we relate. It's like the problem taleka ti solve now mina. And nateleka yina data ka bona ti solve mina. Like so angana kurile ka bontsatu wa mina. Like kaka yina my parents, my brothers has gained a brother. You know, and then kaka bona like my so that's what keeps us going. And then yeah.
Okay.
It's about knowing what you want in a marriage. Yeah, it wasn't easy, I must say. It was tough. But
and then Misukaka, yeah, and coming from a humble beginning and then Mukula it says a lot about your relationship. That's good. That's good. So, but before you had that conversation, Minika munhu one advice lo angathama kaya ne alaba kusungula something or maybe a YouTube channel or a business or anything mara achavati critics leti mwe mngahlangana na to minga ko yini ka munhu loyi.
You know, critics makes you grow. And you know, you find kuri baku criticizer people when they criticizing you, it means there's something in you, you know. And then when you have to take critics positively so that you can change it to be like negative, a better version of who you are. You know, on Friday, like when I was like in home, like Laka and Atlele, 8 o'clock. I was hit by inbox. Poster open letter, blah blah blah. That's where it started. The whole like so, and then Gazankulu came and stand still. You know, and then like my inbox was flooded. And I don't even know this person. So they started criticizing. They started criticizing my lips, you know. And then they started criticizing Kuri, like
But how is your look related to what you say?
No, like you know when I went and like I went home and then I said, Asulaba kunteka emotions, ne? But that's not who Eggy is. Eggy, she's tough.
Fearless.
I'm fearless and I'm going to stand still. You know, if ever I cannot change how my lips looks like, and then that doesn't define who Eggy is. Eggy, I believe in what I'm saying, and then I must stand my grounds. And then like fanenzela nonyan kure yana shkolweni sisi akunandlela inwanyana. And then I made a video after that. Hikuva bachaba kuri ni bulabla ishkolo. Nda emphasize kuri I cannot lose the title. I cannot lose the title ya qualification but I can lose the title of my marriage. You know, and abantu loku se baku criticize atani baku yenda baku ama and I came back strong. You know, and then being firm. You know, if you check my post from that day, it's like now lokutaka mina. You must know your story. You know, and even you know on Friday, the whole of South Africa about stand still with one woman. It means I have an impact, and I started getting these followers within a day. Followers die 4,000. You know. And
you're growing as a brand.
I'm growing as a brand because this is Buffalo, a queen of the main house. You know? And then yeah, like the critics at when they criticize you, like they baku armor. You know, Sunday I'll tell you that story. I went to Bloemfontein to fetch my daughter, and then when I came back, my husband said, "Now you must read more." more than we read like we don't spend like we don't like waiting the book motivational books, you know, and then we went to Mall of Africa and then buying books, you know, motivational books, and then letting because it's a phase, it's another phase of me where and then we spoke about this thing before, baby, what's going to happen criticize, because not everyone will like these videos, you know. Like nonsense was to say,
and I'm bring her down. Trying to bring
you know, and then like people that are trying to bring other people down, it's women. It's sad because this thing, the whole thing was started by a woman, you know, and where people now take advantage, men take advantage. If we don't love each other, it's easy for them to come in and use that opportunity. I say gender-based violence, if women loved each other, you know. Yeah, so critics, it makes you strong and grow. And be fearless. If you believe in the product that you want to start, do it. If you believe let it work, you know, because you find yourself doing something threat, because now people they scared. Who's this woman who's taking the spotlight?
And you're afraid because umchangani and you're not doing less war, what about so? Doing something different.
You know, unfortunately, but I'm telling them about the fundamentals of life. If we want to be subjected to gender-based violence, you know, I tell people, if I find my husband cheating, or if my husband can lay a hand on me, I'm gone. Because I'm not gonna stay 10,000 per month allowance. 10,000 doesn't worth my life. One day you know, I can't nigga the 10,000. 10,000 I can make it with my businesses, like
so you put yourself first.
I put myself first. It's self-love. I've built like boundaries. You don't come this side. So you're building a wall. Like criticize you. You have to build a wall. No, they cannot come this side.
So kuna critique moya ndinga yitwa ne baku imando watamba loko muvula makata xikolo.
Yeah, I actually answered loku nikani lokuhleke na suswani kore. I told them kuri ntamba cheese. Because na 6 digits a bank, you know, it's my hustle. Yeah, so anda kukombeta kuri nalo kuena ukaunga tambisona like ungarna chumu. You can criticize, but you cannot take away who Egibangele is. You cannot take away the queen of the main house, you know, because I'm where I am because of school. When I look at Alabaku, and if I criticize Ababula Kutami, Lava Samakuna Banaban Mahala, ne Abalakia, Umele, Lava, but this idea, so because you're telling them like what the procedure to do the right thing, you know, and then none of us had ban criticize we labanga famba attack bugati labanga busy na kuri balaba fana na one baba tirela. And I mean, I'm telling them simple thing kuri like kuba uri na mwana na munhu, it doesn't mean we must break this cycle ya kuri loko uheta kumitisa munhu uya uyatshama ka
so
unsatwa yena and loko sesuyeta kwala mi subjected to abuse because awuyangi xikolweni was to says mara loko prioritize vutomi bya wena na future we make mistakes was to says mara loko yena ti mistakes ta kuri u ti pfusha futhi u byela ku ni ve na n'wana na hari ntsanana, but I can still go back to school, you know, and do something about it. That's why bakwatisa na iloko nokuskoswa bari niyatsabana why nokuskoswa
I mean short courses.
Yes, iti makata kuri kuna susumana sulabi metric loko ungaenda beauty uya leshwana uyaenda bomnwala anibulabulela ti makata sweswo kuri hambi xikolo uba ufike kun'wanyana mara loko lava ku uenda something to develop yourself kuna xikolo leswi murhungaka. Not everyone will go to school, you know. So machangani ya ka hina iti makata kuri I love ku kurisana ene hi bona va tlhela ku va a ku ri na the the Tsonga drama leyitlanga
Giyani Land of Blood.
Giyani Land of Blood. Yeah, the
Bayicriticize,
very same
no?
Tsongas, they were criticizing it, kuri ayi right. The very same people, lava akufane bayibeka mepeni. Phela yena we not represented ka DSTV. How many of us who are paying the multi-choice? Plenty, but where are we? Like lokungari papa penny bile ulodziva uti fanela na mina when people banfonela says hey right nirmina right ukuyam kokorochi you're not gonna do anything
na papa penny upromote tishaka
letin'wana laba balishoni batajaja bakumbale yini unjani xilungu xa yena wasitwisisa so machangani if we can stop criticizing and pulling each other down itatikuma hikha hi nga ri helo vanhu va kha va vusa I mean tiko ra hina ri khome hi mihlovo lowun'wana maxhosa ne ku tshambona vo mdoda va kha va criticizana
and xin'wana xa kuphunta
ku anele mdo wasitwisisa vale ku supportaneni mara hina machangani hi hluvulana mabruku hi wa veka hansi
matava lava njhani machangani u endla swilo swa ku swi hume endleleni kumbe a swi nge ku yisi helo
vo Benny Mayengani u le ku yimbeleleni kahle
wa rhandziwa
veri wa choma loko ye China ye vo Italy ivi Dunsani Randa Dunsani
vuton'wini va ngumbeke mapeni
ana nga endli swona ku na swilo sweswiwana a nge yena wa tichaya wa ngoma leyi a nge wa Vano wa foliti wife material va rhandza swo tani and they don't want to listen to the truth, you know. And I mean I still emphasize kuri xikolo it will take you from one point to the other utava independent one day.
And nkarhi wun'wanyana mhaka ku loko munhu endla xilo xa ku xi hambanile a nge xavisi Avon hinkwenu. I'm not saying ku vanhu va xavisaka Avon va wrong mara loko munhu endla xilo xin'wana xa different hayi i ta ngheneriwa. Why?
No, like mina I've prepared long time for the critiques. That's why I think I'm in Chomo. You know, like when I say growing up, it was not easy. Maybe that's why Nasus Namonta. I look at the boys that were saying to me, big leagues.
Primary school. Mfana wana afamsa papilani kushifika kanguna.
Even after that, loku last year, this year, loku nyanya hlangana na jiktufu aba menele or fifth Agnes. So
the critics
takukurisa because I said if I'm not beautiful, I'd rather stick to something that can take me somewhere. Phela lokho kuya ikuribano bakuma swilo kusaseka if my digits atiya ikusaseka andaba ni poor me was to say mara because
kusaseka shivana kai
was to say so anibona kuri kusaseka kubili bangansunga batirela mara lokho ngari na brains I don't think it should make relevant
because you have to know how
to ikhala glower let us shine. Bana shokhomelela ku hayi mando bili mara ule xikolweni mando one, you know. Yeah.
Mkhensa mafuni kwa nkarhi.
No, thank you my baby. Thank you so much. And thank you for inviting me.
And I had a lot of fun.
Oh, thank you.
You're such a nice person. Well guys, we have come to the end of today's episode. I had a lot of fun chatting to Manegi. She's such an incredible person and we're still gonna invite her to the show. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope we learned something. Until we see each other again.